This is going to be a very short video showing you how to use full-size images in DAAD Ready using DAAD Builder to create them and export them. So first of all, we'd create our new adventure. I'm just going to add one more room because we're going to have two rooms with images and one without. Let's just add a connection between those two. So the first and most important thing is to go to Settings. And where it says use custom config file, you want to tick use custom image height. This is set by default to 96, which is the net amount of lines that DAAD Ready will process from the top of your image. This is what gives us the long, thin, rectangular images in the games. For the spectrum, this will probably vary for some of the other screen sizes, but for the spectrum, you want to set this to 192. And that will say use the whole image size. Close the settings dialog, then go to our graphics editor, and for the spectrum for picture 1, I'm just going to import a full size image. Let's just find something random that we can import, and I'm going to put another one on screen 3 so that in between we're going to have location 2 with no picture. Let's just import another image. Okay, so we now have two images. One feature which I may not have covered before, with DAAD Ready you can have 255 images for a game. If we go to image 256 and import an image into there, that image is going to become our loading screen. So let's just grab one more image to use as a loading screen. Okay, so that will export all of these images full size. And DAAD Ready, when it processes it, because of the change we made in the config file, will also process the whole image, not just the first 96 lines. When it comes to displaying those, we're going to need to change the window heights for the game, because currently Windows 0, which is used for graphics, will clip that image to those 96 lines anyway. So if we go to our text editor and we want to jump down to process 0, and here we have Windows 0, which is our graphics window. We want to just set that to be full size. So from the line above, we copy and paste that. That will tell the graphics window to fill all the rows and all the columns on the screen as a graphics window. It'll then go through the normal steps of seeing if there's light, etc. Then if there's a picture of the player's location, it's going to load that picture and display that picture. Now, normally, having displayed this picture, it's going to say that picture was okay, and it jumps past the next section, which is making the location text full screen. It keeps the location text from halfway down the screen onwards. We're just going to delete that so it thinks the picture wasn't okay, and it will then move on to give us a full-size location text. Underneath this, I'm just going to say pause, and we're going to pause for 200 ticks. So we're going to get a full-size picture, pause for 200 ticks, then it's going to, we need to clear screen, otherwise that image is going to be left on the screen and our text is going to cover it. So we clear the screen, then it's going to jump down to window 1, which is our text window. It's going to make that full size, clear the screen again, and then it's going to fill it up with our location text. And that really is all we need to do to display full screen images. So if I now export that zip file, you're not going to see this because we're only capturing the DAAD Builder window. Okay, so now I'm in the DAAD Ready folder. I'm going to run the ZX 128K bat file, Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to jump over quick enough to display the emulator starting up, so we won't see that loading screen. Actually, I was wrong. Did manage to get over there quick enough to see that. So now we're on the introduction screen of our empty database. If we press enter, we should now move onto location 1 and get that full screen image. So we'll get our full screen image after a pause, clears the screen, and then gives us the text. If we go north, we have a location with no picture. Go north again, we should get another full screen image, pause, and that will clear. If we just go back, that'll happen each time. And that's all there is really to creating full screen images using DAAD Builder and DAAD Ready. I'll see you in the next video.